Hey, Tom here. Welcome to my channel, Tom Loves DIY. I've been experimenting with these, what I call tiny burners or micro burners. They're very lightweight, very small, made from travel size hairspray cans. And I've made 4 of them, and I did some burn tests, and they were kind of all over the place. I'll show you a little bit of that in a minute. But the best case was I was able to get a 2-cup boil in about 12 minutes. That's a long time to wait. My other stoves, like these from the squirt cheese cans, can boil 2 cups of 65-degree water anywhere from 4 to 7 minutes typically, depending on the burn jets and that sort of thing. So wasn't satisfied with these, so I decided I'd make 3 that are basically identical. Same size, shape, and I've also put an inner cylinder like I used to use with those squirt cheese cans. And I'm going to put 3 of these together. Put in about 9 or 10 milliliters of alcohol in each one, total of about 1 ounce. And fire them up and see how long it takes them to boil that 2 cups of water, and see how long they burn. These all have 6 burner jets, 5/64ths of an inch diameter. So they should be burning about the same flame and intensity. And since they all have about the same amount of fuel, which is 9 milliliters or 1 ounce total, this should give us a pretty good idea of how these little guys will perform. And of course that's 2 cups of water. It was about 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, 8 minutes. I can hear the boil. I can see steam, even though it says 210 degrees. So we're going to call that done. Thermometer always lags behind. And 8 minutes and 30 seconds, the thermometer agrees that it's boiling. I'm going to take this off now, see what happens with these flames. Got 1 out. 2 still going strong. And we got another one out at about 13 minutes. And the third one is starting to gutter, so it won't be long. So, pretty fun, these three together. One of the neat things about this setup is that you can burn one, two, or all three. You can put different amounts of alcohol in them to get a longer burn on one and shorter on the other two. I mean, the combinations are pretty huge, and that would allow you to do things like boil some water and then have it simmer, if you like to say we're cooking noodles. Take some experimentation, but I think it'll work. I'm going to call these a success, and I think what I might do, instead of using some kind of stand like this or one of these, I might build this with a stand that's attached to it and put these three together as a unit. Maybe JB weld them or something. Anyway, that's it. I appreciate you watching, and you could click like and all that stuff. But in the meantime, hope to see you out on the trail.